back to my channel. So today I am filming a get ready with me first impressions of the MakeupShayla collection with, or collab with ColourPop. So I ordered my box. So I ordered the bundle of the Shayla collection. I didn't need the pretty box because I just don't need that. So I really just wanted the products, but of course it was gorgeous. So this is what it looks like if you order just the set. Comes like that. The first thing, this is the packaging for the Perception palette. And this is the back. In the back, you might not be able to see because it's reflective, but it tells you the names of the colors of the eyeshadows in here. So I'm sure you all seen it if you follow her. So once again, the colors are on the back as well. Then you open it and oh, I'm tripping. But they're so pretty. Let me do it that way. And I love, thank you for the mirror, girl, because I get tired of trying to do my makeup and having to hold an eyeshadow palette or lay it open to hold a mirror or another compact I have that has a mirror if I don't have a mirror sitting in front of me to do my makeup. So thank you, Shayla. This is the packaging for the highlighters. You've all seen it. This is what they look like. This one is Pose. And then this one is Bowman. So they're cute. They're cute. Then the lip gloss, Neat Freak. This is pretty. I've clearly watched her tutorials and her talk about it, but it's very pretty, if you can tell. This is, ooh, stars on the lipstick. Come on, sis. Like a nice Play-Doh, that's kind of weird. Quickie. So that is Quickie. So yeah, sorry. So as you can tell, I've already put my face on. My brows are done. This is literally a get ready with me. And I'm gonna go in with Culture because that's kind of close to my shade to do. Oh wait, let me take the plastic off the mirror to do just a nice transition shade. Revenge. Now we're just gonna place that kind of higher up on the crease, like above your crease. After I've done that, I'm gonna grab that same brush that I used to put the Culture on and lightly blend that Revenge out that we just put on. So I'm gonna go in with Played Out, which I love this name. When I watched her videos and her talk about it, it's like the truth though, for real. Like, it's a brown that you, at least us as brown skinned women, need, but it is played out because everybody has a shade. Everybody has a shade that is similar to this. I'm gonna kind of take this closer into the crease. So I love the name. When she said that, I was like, you right, girl, you right. the shades, I don't have fallout on my face. They're pretty pigmented. I don't really have a complaint. This is my first ColourPop palette ever. Yeah, look at that. Shout out to us black women, okay? My first one to buy was Shayla's. We're gonna grab another blending brush and I'm gonna go in with Stallion. I wonder if I should wet it. We're gonna try it dry, we're gonna see. And we're gonna start that in the, sorry, that's what I was talking about it. In the outer corner of our lid. And you see I'm slowly working it in. Cause it has like, you can see the shimmers in it, but okay. It is close to like a black. Okay, now we are going to go in 14. Let me, because I might wet this one, and we're just gonna place it in that space that it was still open. Okay, we're gonna move to the under eye and we're gonna take the same, I don't know how that one feels, you know, the Stallion, this is a big brush though, and just sweep it under. Take this 14 and connect it. Let me go put some lashes on. I'll be back to do the highlights and a lip. All right, y'all, I'm back. So put some lashes on. They didn't want to cooperate, but it is what it is. They on, we move on. So I put some lashes on. I put some mascara on my bottom lashes. And now we can put on some highlight. So I'm gonna do both, of course. So Pose, oh shoot, is like a rose gold. Boomin' is gold. We're gonna do Boomin' first since I've opened them, sorry y'all. So Boomin' is first. Ooh, one touch. Ooh. I thought when we were checking on this, I'm like, I thought I got the excess off, baby. Auntie. Y'all see that highlight? Y'all see that highlight? Yes, Shayla. Yes. some good pose. As we started. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let me might as well. Just welcome up. Welcome up. Yes. Oh, I ain't put no blush on. Just thought about it. These are pretty. These are my first loose highlighters as well. Girl, Shayla, let me give you a high five because you have made me purchase something I have not purchased before. So, yay. But yeah, highlights, they on fleek. Now, let us move on. Ooh, let's do ooh. And then, come on, sis. Well, come on, sis. So, come on, sis. Second is ooh. Third is quickie. Hopefully, they're all showing up for y'all. So, because my eyes are dark, I kind of want to go with, ooh, no, quickie. I'm going to go with quickie. We're going to go with quickie. I might put a little ooh in the middle. I'm going to use my K, the Carucci lip. Okay. So, yeah, I'm going to use K by Carucci from ColourPop to line. Literally, I just clearly lined my lips. Okay, now we're going with quickie. Okay. Right. I could have put on some, I don't know why I didn't put on no chapstick. Before while I was doing my makeup. So, as you can see, if you my color, you should probably need to use a lip liner. But that's just me. I'm touching the middle first because I want to go in the middle with ooh. Yeah, I like this. She's cute. She's cute. Shayla girl, I like the colors. I can make it work, clearly. I can make it work. So this is the finished look without the gloss on. And I'm definitely feeling it. She's cute. She's ready. Yeah. So this is without the gloss. Let's go ahead and throw her on. Yeah. Put her in the middle. She's cute. Would I recommend getting the whole collection? Yes. I say this because, one, clearly I like it. The colors are good. They seem to work on every skin tone. And support your girl. Support her. Like, especially if you are a minority, these opportunities do not come that easily for us. So we should support any and everybody, especially in this industry, who is making moves and, you know, creating and collabing with companies and making these things. So of course I want to tell you to go ahead and get the whole collection. Do you need it? Probably don't need it. Like, you probably could do a highlighter. You need the palette and maybe a lipstick, but they're cheap. You need the gloss. So you make a conscious decision for your coin, but I recommend it. I think that she did a very good job. I think it's amazing. I'm proud of her. I've been a follower of hers and a subscriber of hers for a while now, and I'm very proud and happy for her. And anytime you see a YouTuber making moves, support them if they're a genuine person, because you gotta watch out for that. But I think that is amazing. Shout out to ColourPop. Shout out to Shayla for making this collab with them. You go, girl. And yeah, if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm pretty sure I'll probably do another look with this palette. Just also let me know if y'all want to see one. Regardless, I'm gonna do it. But yeah, if you have any ideas for me, make sure you leave it in the comment section down below. And thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, bye guys.